Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all. So our topic for today is about how many human bacteria inside the body parts. So kakaibang bakterya ang maninirahan sa iba't ibang parte sa katawan natin, brothers and sisters. Halimbawa, gut, bituka, 1,000 species, trillion of bacteria. Sa skin naman, 1 trillion bacteria, brothers and sisters. Mouth, 700 species. Sa nose, 10,000 bacteria per nostril. So, ito yung mga bakterya sa ating katawan. Tinatawag itong human microbiome. May 39 trillion bakterya sa katawan ng isang tao. Our topic for today is when prayers seem unanswered. So brothers and sisters, when prayer seems unanswered, first is trust God's timing. 2. Check your heart. 3. Keep praying. 4. Focus on God's presence. Thank you and God bless to all. Hello everyone. Practical prayer. So brothers and sisters, practical prayer, talk to God like a friend. 2. Be honest about your feelings. 3. Give thanks. 4. Ask for guidance. And last is end with Amen. Hello everyone, yung bacteria about sa human tapos na. So punta naman tayo sa how many parasites in the body parts of human. So may iba't ibang parasite na pwedeng makahawa sa iba't ibang parte sa katawan ng tao. Ilan sa mga ito ay una, intestine bituka, tapeworm, hookworms, roundworms. 2. Blood malaria parasites. 3. Skin scabies, mites, lice. 4. Lungs plaques. 5. Liver plaques. Ito yung nakakahawa sa atin. May 30 types